So for this assignment, what we need to do is we need to create a video for demonstrating the setup and functioning of auto scaling and security policies. So here's my Google Cloud Console. As you can see, I have created a project, my first project, and the ID is Peaceful Brain. So now I'm already here. So I'll open Compute Engine to show how I have created this project and how I have set up a VM and how I have configured a VM instance for this. Now, as you can see, I'm pointing it to this instance. This is now stopped. But let me tell you how I created it using Terraform and Cloud Shell. So here you can see I have installed Google Cloud Shell, and Terraform is a command line tool that I have installed using the PowerShell. So I have created a Terraform GCP folder, and in this you can see .tf files. For the sake of simplicity, I'll just open it in VS Code, show more options, and open code. Right. So here you can see each and every file. So at first, we'll run this create terraform files.bat. So this is a batch file, and what it will do is it will create the configuration for Terraform file. So this will provide the project ID. So we have to manually hardcode each and every variable here, project ID, region, and everything. So yeah, so Terraform key.json will have our key values, and based on that we can specify each and everything here. So this is infrastructure as a code service, IaaC. So Terraform is a software by HashiCorp, and you can easily actually install it by just searching, like search Terraform, and it will provide the complete step-by-step instruction to set it up. It is very easy. If you just go in the documentation, it will actually you can chat with the documentation itself. So they provide that feature. So that is quite easy actually, and you follow the steps, you will get Terraform. And same for Cloud. Even for Cloud Shell, you can use the MSI Windows installer. Once you have specified everything, and this is again specified in the GitHub README file, then you can run the autoscaler.tf. So what it does, it specifies the autoscaler policy. So what it does is it will have max 5 replicas and min 1 replica, and have a cooldown period of 60, and with the target utilization is zero point 0.6. Obviously all this is arbitrary, and you can modify this as per your needs. And for implementing firewall rules, here I'm allowing TCP, network type is default. I'm allowing HTTP traffic, port 80, TCP, so everything can be specified here. And once you run the TF file by using Terraform file name.tf, you can run it. And based on that, you can just set it up. Once it is set up, you can also do the same things using this. Like if you're not comfortable with using this, so if you click on this, it will start. So just click on start, and yeah, the instant is starting. Although I won't keep it on for much long because of the cloud bills, and I don't want to go bankrupt. But let's just be quick till that it is starting. So I'll just show you everything really quickly. Here's the basic information of the machine. And yeah, so you can see the machine configuration. It's the standard GPU 8 GB memory. Thing is here, networking and firewall. For now, yeah, so for now this is GDP is off. I think once it will turn on, it will show it is on. Yeah, so here we can see that each and every detail is visible. Now if you actually want to find out more, you can go to the instance template, And yeah, in template information, you can view everything about the firewall details as well. So here's the thing. And in this instance template, you can also manually create a VM from here. And let me just check one more thing, that VM instance thing. So it's taking a bit of time to get started. Meanwhile, what we need to check in VM instances is whether, yeah, so what we need to check in that instance is the minimum and maximum number of VMs. Because I remember to prevent it from creating more VMs, I set it to 0, comma 0. So I might need to change that. Create instance is fine. Automatically choose this. That is also fine. So till then, I can show you the IAM thing. Using this, you can set the IAM rules. So yeah, this is it. This is my name. So I'm Rishabh Johari, and this is the principal email ID. Type is specified as admin. Let me just shift the camera here. Yeah. So this is the Terraform service account. This is my ID. This is the default account. Apart from that, now let's figure out why it is creating an issue in starting the VM. So as far as I remember, I had set it to 0, comma 0. So I'll quickly refer to my documentation here. I created a systematic documentation here. This is for times like these only. That the thing is that I gave a command to change the minimum and maximum number of size. So I'll just quickly refer to this, and based on that, I'll verify. This is it. So here we have specified this particular template. Now what we need to actually do is go to compute engine. So yeah, here we are in the compute engine. Now if we go to VM instances, right? So this is my instance, but what we need to do is change the setting, auto scaling policy. This. So this is the placement policy, right? What we need is the auto scaling policy. So we will go to the template. Now what we need to do here is quickly find out the auto scaling policy. So we can actually change these things also later on. So let us find the auto scaling policy here. This is the VM group. So you can see here min 0 max is, that is why it's not right. So let's just camera can be placed here for now. Now what we need is we need to start this. But to start this, we'll yeah. So we need to change this 0, 0. So yeah, it is also giving the same warning. So I changed 0 it to 0, 0, 0, because I didn't want to, I wanted to automatically create more instances, otherwise it will keep on billing me. So what I need to do now is change these values to, let's say, 1 comma 5. If we do that, then our auto scaling will be implemented again. So let's edit it quickly. Yeah. Now what I'll do is minimum one, this 5, right? But still then it's updating the instance. Now let's see what we need to do further. So auto scaling thing I've taken care of. Security. So security, I think you mean firewall by that. So yeah, it has successfully updated it. So yeah, it has created a new instance. So let's see. We can start this as well. We'll click on this. So now two instances are created. If I click on this, now what you'll see is when once this has started, then if I try to stop it, it will create another VM, right? So let me just wait for that. Now you can see one instance is running, right? Uh, Minimum one, maximum five. So one instance is running. Now what I'll do is if I need to stop this, so I'll select it and suppose I click on stop. So it is saying you can stop it. So now I stopped it. So what auto scaling will do is it will again create another instance. Obviously, it will create one instance, and depending on the load, it can create more, but it can create maximum 5 instances. Why? Because here we have specified maximum as 5. So one instance is stopped right now. Right, but another instance is created. Right. So now we have 3 instances. Now we need to stop everything, and to be safe, like I'll just show it and delete the entire thing only, because I don't want the build to exceed. So let us keep it running and quickly show you the security thing. So for accessing security, just hit firewall and it will actually take us there. Yeah, here. So here we can view the firewall rules and stuff. Yes, here are all the various firewall rules. So yeah, here allow HTTP. This is a rule. If I click on it, you will be able to view all the rules. Right. So this is the firewall rule that I showed you in the Terraform script. So that's all. So I think we have covered both the aspects of the video, the setup and functioning of auto scaling and security with the explanations. Right. So that's all. And now I'll just, to be safe, stop everything so that I won't exceed the billing amount. So what I'll do is go to dashboard or compute engine. So let me just search compute engine here. Compute engine, yeah, this one. Now I'll have to change the instance rate. To be safe, I'll just delete it. More actions. mm, Delete it from the group. Fine, fine, fine. We'll just stop it for now. These are the VMs, right? We need to stop the instance template. That is another headache. We'll just go to the template and stop it entirely from there. This is one more issue of like GCP, that they make it more complex to stop it so that they can keep on gathering the money and all that. So what we'll do is, yeah, so this is the information of our VM template. Now we need to first stop the template, right? So instance template, if we select it, this is the template. It has all the firewalls and everything. And VM instances. Stop it first. It's weird. Just now saw this, right? Instead saying that we need to go to instance group. So we need to find this instance group. So I think instance group was in template only. Now this is our instance template. This thing, VM group. So it was saying it is managed by group only. And just delete everything. Just let me give the review also. Be dissatisfied. Now I'll finally delete it. Really. So now it's finally removing it. And I hope that this thing doesn't respawn more machines, because now I'm not deleting an instance, I'm deleting a template, right? So, but still, we need to edit it to be safe. I'll just edit it and I'll change it to 0 so that it does not respawn more templates. I'll just save it to be safe. Now delete the itself. And now I'll just delete this thing again, because looks like it respawned more templates. Now delete, and hopefully it won't create more instances. So that's all. So what we have done is we have demonstrated uh, the setup and functioning of auto scaling security. So this is your auto scaling code, and I have demonstrated its working. This is the Firebase infrastructure as code, and here I have demonstrated it on the platform. So that's all. Thank you.